One, redondo, punya, redondo, switch 1, 2, 3, 1, redondo, punya, redondo.
Violence destroys. Weaponizing is the counter strategies to violent criminal assault. Hey, I'm Greg LaBeouf, aka The Violence Guy, and I'm sharing with you how I went from the victim of a brutal attempted murder to mastering the tool of violence and protecting myself and family, and how you can do the same from the safety and comfort of your own home. Welcome to Weaponizing DIY.
Take this angle 1, redondo, punya, redondo, switch 1, 2, 3, 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 1, redondo, punya, redondo. When you're done your forehand, 1, 2, 3, angle 1 and full step. Hit him with an angle 1, full step. Redondo, punya, redondo. Flip, redondo. 2, 3, angle 1, redondo, punya, redondo. Flip. 2, 3, 1, redondo, punya, redondo. 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1. Grab 2 sticks. Start off slow and basic. Close position. Left over right. Right's on the bottom. Right backhand redondo. 1, 2, 3. You're not going to switch leads. You're going to turn your body without switching leads. And you're going to go 1, 2, 3 on the left. Back to the right. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.